Hello everyone, welcome back to Start Talks. Today we are going to talk about something very important, health and exercise for kids.
Yes, because when we stay healthy, we can study better, play better, and enjoy our day without feeling tired.
So what is exercise? Exercise means any activity that moves our body. Running, skipping, jumping, dancing, cycling or playing outside.
Exercise is fun. It makes our muscles strong and give us more energy. After playing, we feel happy and relaxed.
Exercise also helps our brain. It helps us focus in class, remember lessons and do well in exams.
Doctors say kids should exercise for at least 60 minutes every day. We can do it in small break too, not all at once.
Now let's talk about healthy food. To stay strong, we must eat fruits, vegetables, milks, nuts and drink enough water.
We should try to avoid too much junk food like chips, chocolates, and soft drinks. They make us weak and tired.
Being healthy also help us to do well in sports. We are happy to share that our school students won silver medal in the Inter-School Open Martial Arts Championship of 2025. A big congratulations to them. And we are happy to share that our school Kabaddi team is going for a tournament on 21st December.
Yes, we are very proud of them. Kabaddi needs strength, teamwork, and fast thinking. We wish our team all the best.
So kids, what should we do every day? Eat healthy food, play or exercise daily, drink enough water, sleep well, reduce mobile and TV time.
If we follow this habit, we will become strong, smart, and confident.
Let's all promise to take care of our health.
Because a healthy child is a happy child. Thank you for watching Startup. Stay healthy and stay active. Please like, share, and subscribe.